1967 Chevrolet Bel Air here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 350 V8 power underneath the hood. Engine actually has approximately 7,500 miles on it. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the chrome up front. Headlights, surrounds, bright work. Grille all looking good. As far as the color on this, some people would call it a gold. To me, it's more of a copper or kind of a burnt orange. Check out the still pictures. You can be able to see this from every angle. You'll also be able to see the undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk, and all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. American Racing polished wheels. You can see slotted and drilled rotors behind those wheels. It does have disc brakes at all four corners. The tech did note 80% in the front, 80% in the rear. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Another thing to note is the window tint on the side glass. I know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. It's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Nice look to it. Headers with dual exhaust, complete from the front to the rear. And once again, those still pictures, take your time looking through them, uniqueclassiccars.com. So we take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. A couple other notes from the technician that looked at this car when it went through. There is an aftermarket oil pressure gauge and temp gauge for the coolant, and both of those are working. Also mentioned the wipers work. A couple of things that were in op was the horn, blower motor, and the stereo. And we'll get around to the driver's side here in just a second. Check out that interior, start it up, let you hear it run. But first, let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like these mid to late 60s Chevys, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor, of course. You can see how nice and straight these panels are. And again, driver's side really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. The seller of this, consignor of this vehicle, did note once in a great while he noticed the brakes hung just a tad. So what he would do is just tap them so they always released. Jason's going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. It drives out nice. Just want to make you aware of that and pass on information from the previous owner. Seatbelt's intact, vinyl interior bench seat up front. Let's fire this up so you can hear it run. Very stock looking dash. Nice sounding car, it's always fired up. Anytime I've started it anyway, right away. There's that aftermarket little gauge cluster I was talking about with water temp, oil pressure. Oh, listen to this. Nice little low B idle. Like I said, 350 small block Chev, approximately 7,500 miles on it. Holley 4-barrel, headers, complete dual exhaust. Let's go up to the front so we can check that out. Turbo hydromatic 350 transmission, power steering, power brakes, disc at all four corners. There's a good look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. Now you are going to notice valve covers say 327. That is a 350 small block. Looks like a newer master cylinder, booster for forcing valve. You can see your headers down there. Power steering pump, Aluminum radiator. Nice looking engine bay. A little rumble out of that 350. Battery disconnect for when it's in storage or in between drives. This one will turn some heads, your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. 1967 Chevrolet Bel Air. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a very cool 1967 Chevrolet Bel Air. What was the last year for Bel Air? Was it 67? You think of Impalas when you get to 67, but this is a Bel Air, and it is not your stock Bel Air. It corners better, it accelerates better, it is more comfortable. This interior actually looks stock for the most part, looks original. It's an automatic on the column. Our turn signal indicator is working. Sounds excellent. This does have wing windows. They make a little bit of wind noise, as you might expect. Under the dash we have a water temperature gauge reading 170 to 180. Still slightly warming up. The oil pressure gauge is reading 60 to 70 pounds. That's all looking really good. The factory fuel gauge is showing half of a tank. Speedometer right in the middle is working as it should. Showing 45 miles an hour. That feels about right. Clock equipped right here. Large clock. The wipers work on this Bel Air. Very nice steering wheel. Metal with finger grooves in the back. Vinyl matching the dash on the top. Very smooth idle. Watch for the idling video. You probably just watched it. This car sounds amazing. Corners very flat. Definitely improved handling. That acceleration sound. This car is comfortable, it performs, and looks amazing with this paint job. Take a look at all the pictures of this 67 Chevrolet Bel Air at UniqueClassicCars.com.